This short video is to help you with the assignment Bad Habits, Big Bad Deal. This assignment is going to have you evaluate statistics on stroke and heart disease throughout Washington and Clark County. The questions will ask you to evaluate data on mortality rates due to stroke and heart rate. You will also evaluate the data to compare gender and ethnicity and how they are affected by stroke and heart disease. To begin the assignment, you'll notice in the directions, we've included some web links to the Washington State Department of Health. These links will take you directly to the information you need to answer the questions below. You'll notice the first few questions are pertaining to stroke. The first one is asking you to look up the mortality rate, death rate per 1,000 people of all races from strokes in your county, being Clark County for us. So we'll go up here. You're going to right click on the link and then select open in a new tab. I find this to be the easiest method. All right. You'll then see the tab open, and it will show you specific information for Washington State and county by county of stroke mortality rate. So as you scroll down the screen, you can see just overall death rate numbers for the state of Washington throughout the last approximately 30 plus years. On the second page, you will then see geographic information regarding stroke death rate. This is specific for stroke. All right. The legend down below identifies the color coding. Black number is Washington State. So you can see right here, this is Washington State. The state average per 100,000 is the number they're using. If the county identified has a white bar, that means it's lower than the state average. Gray means the same as the state average. And then a dark gray is higher than the state average. So the question was, what is the death rate from stroke for our county? So we need to search through the list, identify Clark County. You can see that right here. All right, we're in the gray area, so we're the same value as the state. Now it doesn't give a specific number, so this is just going to be a ballpark generalization. But if you read the graph down below, it breaks it down 0 to 25, 25 to 50, 75, 100. So we're going to look between the 25 and 50 range and just kind of make our best guess of where this falls. So I would call that slightly higher than halfway. So I would call this roughly 40, about 40 to 45. We'll just go with a low number and call it 40 per 100,000. All right. So we would come back to our assignment. And in this box right here, we would type 40 per 100,000. Now, the question again states 100 or out of 1,000, but because the data that we have is out of 100,000 people, we'll just keep it simple and ask you to do the statistic number directly from the data that we have. So I would say 40 per 100,000 is the answer I would place in question number 1. All right. Question number 2, view 3 other counties in your state and list their mortality rates by stroke. So this could be any county you choose. You can choose the first 3. All right. If you know of specific counties, some of the largest counties in the state, we have King County, which is the largest up in Seattle. We have Spokane County. So you can choose which counties you want to identify. With that answer, make sure you select their mortality rate. So as you're looking at the county, you're going to need to use the graph below and then identify the numbers. Question number 4 is regarding gender and race. You'll see here we have age and gender information, the age range, and then also that's broken down by gender below.